Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a firework effect with Higgsfield AI. So we are going to be creating something like this. So I'll just show you how to create something like this. All you have to do is to go to this website called higgsfield.ai, sign in, and then go to this, click on the visual effects section here, then scroll on to this section where you have firework. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this where you would see a firework behind the person. All you have to do is to click on generate, and you'll be brought to a page where you can actually upload your personal image for the effect to take place. So you can upload, this is one I've uploaded, you can upload yours, and if you have an end frame, you can also upload it here. So for the prompt, you can describe what you want to see for from the video, and then you can proceed to change the model, but I advise you just leave the model and the duration as they are, or you can always change it, but higher duration means higher credits. As you can see, this has switched to 20 credits, whereas when it was 5 it was just 10. And resolution also 720 and 120 for this particular model. If you switch to a different model, we'll see all of those things. Now already this is telling us it's giving us at 720p with 3 to 5 seconds, so we can that is what we should expect. So once you're done, just click on generate, and within few minutes your video will be generated for you here, and you can go on to play it. Now this is a video I had already generated, and I can download it by clicking on this download icon. So this is how you actually create the effect, the firework effect with Higgsfield AI. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.